Okay, guys, it is the time for the $500 trading tips, and of course, we will be checking this out right here in this video. However, before I go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. Okay, so guys, these are the assets I will be checking out. Everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you are not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the charts before you can follow up with the analysis. So let's go straight into it right away, starting with GainX 1200. Okay, guys, this is GainX 1200. I'm on 15-minute time frame and I'm using the 3M trend Milka trading indicator. It is a custom made indicator. Okay, so if you're having, you can join me in analyzing this chart. Okay, so this actually started an uptrend right from this support zone. You can see it's switching from a downtrend into an uptrend at this point, and of course gave us a buy signal right from here. So it bought and even broke out above this resistance zone to get to this particular resistance. It has not been able to break out from there, so it has given us a sell signal. So we expect it to sell more. Okay, at this point, okay, at least it should get to this particular TP and also this. Okay, so this is going to be giving us more selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. Next asset is going to be GainX 999. Let's check it out together. This is GainX 999. This started a downtrend right from this resistance zone, and it switched from a downtrend, I mean from an uptrend to a downtrend, and gave us sell signals around there. So it sells and also broke out from this particular support region. It has got into a new support region. However, if it breaks out below it, it's going to sell more. But if it does not, it will switch back into an uptrend and buy. But for now, it is still selling until it is unable to break out from there. So you should watch out from the, for that. Okay. So now the next asset is going to be Penex 1200. This is Penex 1200. This has been on downtrend for long, but after getting to this support zone, it started an uptrend. The movement was a bit slow. I mean, had been a bit slow, but it is most likely for it to go on uptrend. Got to this region, it's trying to pull back. Okay, so if it should pull back and gets to this particular support region and breaks out below it, then definitely it's going to sell more. But if it does not, then definitely it will continue with the uptrend and even buy more than that. Okay, so this we expect it to buy more, except if it breaks out below this support zone. The next asset is going to be Pnex 999. This is Pnex 999. Pnex 999 had been on uptrend but played around there for a while before breaking out above it to get to this resistance zone. It was unable to break out from there, so it switched into a downtrend and so till it got to this region. You can see that has been playing around this channel for a while and it has gotten there again. It has not been able to break out below this particular support zone. So it's trying to go back on uptrend right now. I will call it a pullback, okay, not really an uptrend. The reason is if it gets to this particular spot, this particular resistance zone, it's most likely for it to respect it and sell back and try out this support region because it respected it around there, also around there, and also around there. But if it should break out above it, then it's going to buy more and be targeting this particular resistance zone. So this is still buying at the moment until it is unable to break out from there. Okay. So the next asset is going to be FX volume 80. This is FX volume 80, and this has been an uptrend for a while, starting from this support region, and it has gotten to this region. However, it has been obeying this particular trend support line. Okay, it did that around there, also around there, and right now it has just gotten there. If it breaks out below it, it's going to sell, and we should expect it to be getting to this particular spot if it sells. Okay, and if it should break out from here, then it should get to this spot. Okay, but if it does not sell, it will go back on uptrend and try to break out from the above region, okay, from this above structure that has been created already. Okay, so this is very, very important. So if the breakout happen, it's going to sell. If it does not, then it's going to buy more. Okay, so this is very, very important. Because it is on uptrend, we still expect it to buy more, except if it breaks out. Okay, so this is very, very important. So these are all that we are able to come up with in today's analysis. And of course, if you enjoy it, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video and share this video with friends and family. Okay, and make sure you practice and perfect your trading skill first before you start trading on your real account. I will be stopping right here. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless.